Yes, sir. Thanks a lot for your kind words and encouraging words to all the entrepreneurs and farmers or growers over here. So, as sir has told, we have already shared your email ID, sir, to all the persons. We have shared all the speakers' email IDs to the participants so that they can directly be in touch with you. For any other support system, we have also shared our incubation forums, the details and this thing. So you can anytime you can be in touch with us. So there is a internet connectivity problem in Agriculture University Coimbatore. So there is a poor connectivity. So Mr. Manikanta Bhupati is reaching some other place to join the session. So today we'll be having the first session, as from Mr. Saravana Kumaran. So I would like to introduce him. As he is having is a proprietor of a company called Miracle Tree Life Sciences. He is based at Madurai. He is a doctorate in alternate medicine in Open University Colombo. So he founded Miracle Tree in 2015. He is basically an engineer, but he got some interest in agriculture line, and he is running this company for from 2015. So he is organic certified farm. So even his farm is USDA organic certified, and he is into lot of value added products and moringa based products. He is into exports. He is doing domestic business. He is doing business across India. So, so we would like to welcome Sir Saravana Kumaran for this session, sir. It is over to you, sir. Normally, I would like this to say. Normally, we will keep Mr. Saravana Kumaran in the last presentation, as in all the main functions, people will keep Rajinikanth, as a last speaker, or Amitabh Bachchan as the last speaker. So his last time he delivered an excellent lecture and everyone enjoyed it. So I hope you will also enjoy his session today. With this small note, I would like to welcome Mr. Saravana Kumaran. Sorry, sir, there is a small change in this session, so that you are coming first.
Is it audible?
Yes, sir, please.
Okay. So thanks to PDA and thanks to all the LI participants. Is it audible rightly?
Clearly, sir. Clearly, sir.
Fine. So, okay. நீங்க திடீர்னு மாத்திருக்கீங்க. Okay, ஒரு நிமிஷம் என்னோட ஸ்கிரீனை செட் பண்ணிக்கிறேன். Okay. So thanks to all. So basically, as Mr. Vasandan introduced me, it's a private limited company. It's not a proprietorship company. It's a private limited. So we are 5 directors, sir, and I'm one of the one. And I'm taking care of product research and development and exports also. So Miracle Tree Life Science is in Madurai-based company. We have our own organic farming. We have totally 97 acres of organic farming in Tamil Nadu. Vasandan sir, is it okay? Okay. So we have 97 acres of certified organic farm in Madurai. So we are exclusively focusing on moringa farming and value addition. So regarding farming, all of the professors and the earlier speakers that delivered wonderful lectures and details, everything. And I first thanks to all the professors and all the Gurujis who trained me. So that is the right thing. So they all put their efforts to train me, and even our EDI, our Periyakulam Horticulture University also put a lot of efforts to build up person like us. So thanks to Periyakulam University also, thanks to Dr. Arumugam, thanks to all. So we are in the farming activities since 2007, and about moringa we started in 2011. From 2011 we exclusively focusing on moringa. And 2015 onwards, we are working towards value additions and aggressive research on the product developments and all. So far we have developed 39 products in moringa. So let me, of course, all the professors and the doctorates, they all shared their experience. So I'm not going to give any new information regarding farming and other formalities. So what I will do, I will simply share my experience and whatever I learned from all these Gurujis, everything, and professors, we applied on our practical production and the R&D facility. So our role is that we applied that science into the field and we made the product and we are selling the products. So that things I will share with you. Hope that we will enjoy those things. So Asnan sir, shall I present my presentation?
Sir, please tell me.
Presentation file இது பண்ணிடலாமா?
No, share screen, sir.
Viewable இருக்குங்களா? Is it viewable?
Yes, sir. For slideshow கொடுத்துடலாம், sir. We can go for slideshow. Yes, sir.
So this is my company. We are, of course, it's Miracle Tree. The name we really, with a lot of passion and love, we registered this name, Miracle Tree. Actually, Moringa is in turn called as a Miracle Tree. So we luckily got this name and we registered this name in more than some 9 countries now. We registered in India, we registered in UK, Canada, New Zealand, and now in US also we registered this name. So this is a wonderful name we got it. And my company is registered with the GMP. We have ISO 9001 2015. We have HACCP. We have NPOP Organics, Canadian Organics, everything we have. So this is about the basic company. So this company is exclusively working on Moringa value additions. So this is one of my, of course, actually I wanted to start from this slide, but I want to share what's my company. So that's the first slide. This is one of my, I mean, you all may be knowing about the Tirukkural. So this is one of the best poem I love, and I put in my table also. This is a motivational poem. So depends our internal thoughts, depends our internal clearness, our aim also, our growth also will be there, like the lotus in the water pond. Okay, this just for my motivational word. Okay, thank you. Fine. So if you take about Moringa value additions, we see the tree, the whole tree as a value added tree. Not only the leaf, not only the seed, and not only the flower. We see the whole Moringa tree is it's a miracle tree. The whole tree is a miracle tree. From the leaf, from the root to the root, from the leaf to the root, we can value add the product, the tree. It's really such a wonderful thing, growing in a very fast way and requires very less water and producing amazing products to the public. Actually, this is the tree called superfood, and this is the angel tree to eradicate malnutrition from the globe. So it's really such a thing. So what we do in Miracle Tree, of course, everyone is discussed about the farming activities and other things. Let me share my experience in the value additions. So regarding the tree, we start from the leaf. Leaf we can work, flower, Moringa fruit. Moringa fruit, you may be all knowing, it's used in the South Indian dish sambar. I think people they know only about sambar in North India, but of course we can do many miracle things using that Moringa fruit. So from the fruit we make few products, and again from the seed, when the fruit is mature, you get the dried seed. From the dried seed, so many products we are making, and from the outer bark of the tree, we are making few products, and from the gum we make few products. Root is an amazing. Many people are not using the root. They are simply unrooting the tree after the years, and they simply throw it out. But there is a lot of things available in the root, and you can keep honey collection boxes in the farm, and you can collect the honey, Moringa flower honey from the farm. It's really a wonderful product. So for all the aspects of Moringa, we are using as a product. Fine. See, from the leaf, if we take the leaf, we can export. We are doing exports, and we can do export the fresh leaves as it is. The fresh leaves has to be washed simply, and it can be packed with a proper packing condition. Generally, for the fresh leaves packing, you have to, after plucking the leaf, you have to pluck the whole leaf, and it has to be packed under 5-degree temperature. Many people, they do a mistakes in that only. So you can do a fresh leaves exports also. It's a highly perishable item. So you have to link your logistic team with your farming team. Then only you can get a successful thing. Otherwise, the delivery point, it may make a lot of problems on that one, because it's a perishable item. Your logistic team and your farming activities team has to be coordinated together to render the product and deliver the product in the right time to the right place. Because most of the time it has to be exported to countries like UAE or Europe countries. So the logistic team has to be perfectly matched. So when you're going for a green leaf exports, make sure your logistic team is well timingly aligned, and your packing team is well trained. So the packing, in my experience, you have to, there are boxes are available to keep the leaves. It's a 5 kg to 10 kg we are packing per box, and the leaf has to be brought it into 5-degree temperature. Many people, they do a mistake here only. This is a business secret I'm sharing with you. You have to bring the leaf after making in a polyethylene bag like this. These are the bags. This is the polyethylene bag, paper bags. It's a waterproof bags. So these bag, in this bag, you have to keep the material, and you have to preserve the entire consignment under 5 degree, exactly 5-degree temperature. So once you brought it into the entire system in consignment into 5-degree temperature, then you have to pack it in a cotton box with a dry ice gel. If you pack like this way, the product, even after a 14 hours transit, it will be remains fresh. It won't get any damage. When they unload the product, they can remove the dry ice and everything, and they can keep the product, of course, in a normal ambient temperature, 20 degree or 24, 20, within below 25-degree temperature, and they can sell up to 5 days from the date of receive the material. So this is our experience. So the initial process, if you maintain the temperature of the leaf 5 degree, it can be transported well, and your dry ice requirement also will be very less. So this is regarding green leaf. And of course, second, everyone must have told that dried leaf. Dried leaf is, of course, is a huge business. Everyone is doing dry leaf business. So in the dry leaf, we adopt some 3 technology. It's a freeze drying technology. We have a machine for freeze drying technology. It's really one costly affair. The product, final product cost is little higher due to the high power consumption in the freeze drying machines. And there is a dehydration technology and ULTDC. The ULTDC dryer is designed by Miracle Tree. Now everyone is using this word ULTDC, but actually ULTDC, we introduced the word ultra low temperature closed chamber dryer. It's a solar based dryer using some instrumentation technology. We adopted a low temperature as well as a good air dynamics. So when we combine the good low temperature and air dynamics, good air dynamics, your final product will be good in green color, and the nutrition value will be amazing. You will, when you go for a good full laboratory testing, includes the amino acids testing and other profile, the final product result will be, uncomparable. Even if when you export to Europe or another country, they look for such a quality product. So
Sir,
that quality.
sir, sorry to interrupt. Are you in a correct slide, sir?
Yes, sir. I'm in a correct slide only.
Fine, sir. Thank you.
Sorry. This is the correct slide. Sorry.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So this is the right side one is the freeze dried one, and the left side one is the ULTDC dried one. Okay. So this is the final product. So when you use an ULTDC dried leaves, of course, freeze dried is the best one, but the cost is not affordable for the general buyers. So we go for an alternative and best method, ULTDC drying technology. We adopt a ULTDC drying technology, which is a solar-based dryer using instrumentations. We adopted we got an optimum temperature and the airflow dynamics. So this is the one. So when you use this one, of course, you will get a product like this. You will get a good green color leaf powder, and nutrition content of the new product also will be very.
Sorry to interrupt again. Sorry to interrupt again, sir. Can you go back to that that packed one so that they didn't see that properly? Yes, this one.
Sorry to all. This is the fresh leaf packing method. You have to unplug the leaf in the whole stem way. You should not remove it. If you remove the individual leaves, then its holding time will be very less. You have to pluck it this way. The right hand side image. You have to pluck it that way, and you have to pack it in a 60 micron LDP bags. So the LDP bags can be tied with a rubber band, and the whole consignment has to be bring into 5-degree temperature. Okay, Vasan sir, is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the green leaf handling thing. Okay, and this is the dry leaf. Dry leaf, as I said, that you can adopt 3 technology. Depends your client requirement, but the freeze dried one is very costly. Dehydration is again is a moderate one, and ULTDC is the economical as well as the good result yielding technology that we use. And this is the product output from the ULTDC dryer. You will get an amazing good green color, and I mean nutrition content of the product also will be very good. I can share the whole nutrition content list also. You can get the copy from Mr. Vasant also. So this there are some 132 parameters can be checked with Moringa products, includes the amino acids profile. So when you adopt a good temperature and good air dynamic, your final product will be rich in all the nutrients, because someone is going to eat the product with the belief that Moringa is going to solve the problem. So we should give a good product to them. We have to, I mean, that's our thing. No? So this is the packing method. After grinding the powder, this is the packing method we adopt in Miracle Tree. We have a triple layer packing, which is exported to Europe, and they approve these bags. This is a waterproof paper bag coated with the material, and there is an LDP 65 micron LDP cover inside. So the powder has to be packed in the LDP cover, and the whole thing can be stitched together. This is available in 20 and 25 kg bags with us, and this is the standard method. This is the one we recommend to other one. The second one is the barrel. It's a HTP food grade barrel. Few clients they ask in the barrel also. Okay, in the container also they ask. Of course, it's little costly of us compared to the paper bags, triple layer paper bags. But of course, few clients are asking in this way also. The third one is the vacuum packed Moringa powder. Vacuum packing, of course, we use vacuum packing in many of our products. This is the starting. When you pack the Moringa powder in a vacuum packing, few people they're saying that powder cannot be packed in a vacuum technology, but of course, we can do powder also in a vacuum technology. There is a method for the vacuum technology. So we adopt the method. You can pack even 100 micron powder also in a vacuum cover. So this is the one. So when we do vacuum cover packing, the aroma of the finished product will be very good, very good. Vacuum packing can be done from 100 grams to 20 kg. We have up to from 100 gram to 20 kg. We do vacuum packing. Of course, this is the chargeable. There is extra charge for the vacuum packing is there. And again, and these are all the babies. We do value additions in this way. We have a 200 gram food grade container, and we have a refill pack also. So here already, as you are all participants from different part of the India and the other country, one thing I want to bring into your attention that we use multi-language packing. We use Tamil when we sell the product in Tamil Nadu, it is printed in Tamil, the native language. When we sold in other Arab countries or other countries, like in my future other slides, the upcoming slides, I have put many of the products also, which is printed in French, German, Spanish, all other languages. So mostly we, I mean, depends the country where we do exports, we get it printed, we design the packing as per their coloring sense and as per their country coding also we do the packing. So this is just for your information. So this way of packing also is essential. Depends your client requirement, your packing facility and your value addition system has to support for that. We do stand-up pouches, we do carton packing and HTP bottles also. And these are, of course, now you can keep it in mind that these are all from leaf. We do these products. From the leaf, we do these products. Leaf, the primary product is the powder. Secondary product, of course, the other value addition products are rice mix, chapati mix, all those things we do. So these are the product ranges. So in southern part of India, you maybe know well, idli dosa is very familiar one. So what we do, we have a product which is designed for as a chutney. आपका जो side dish होते हैं ना, उस तरफ का chutney powder बोलते हैं. So there is a chutney powder that can be used as a, it is blended with moringa, all the nutrition, and it is with the hot chili and pepper, everything. So they can simply use the main dish to use this one. This is a very good one. And we have a product for rice. When you get a hot rice, you can take some 1 teaspoon or 2 teaspoon of the powder, moringa rice mix powder. You can just grind it together, blend it together, and you can eat it. It will be giving amazing taste also. So these are all value-add products from the leaf. And of course, from the leaf, we do all these products also as a value additions. We do energy bar. We have a millet-based moringa cookies. We have liquid extractions. As everyone is taking in a tablet form or in a capsule form, we have another option, moringa leaf liquid extraction. That also we do. We have a moringa health drink. It's called Movita. And we have moringa body scrub, shower gel, skin cream, and foot cream. And this is not the end. There are so many other possibilities are there. In this participant and in the participant, many participants are very good in the background. They have a good science and chemical background. They can explore more other possibilities using moringa as the key ingredient and develop other products. So these are things just we developed in the using moringa as a key ingredient. And this is our one of the what do you call hotcake products. It's an energy bar. We introduced this product in 2015 with a rich packing. So the main point I want to bring it into your notice that packing is very, very, very must. Your packing should speak about your product. Whatever your quality, your facility, everything should be show. I mean, can be exposed to the mass public using your packing design. So the packing wrapper itself be taken care very much. This is a 65 micron triple layer packing. Government of India is recommended. I mean, it's given a restriction that it is 45 micron should be there. In 2018, they made a changes in the entire packing industry. Anything below 45 micron should not be used. But when we introduced the product in 2015, we introduced with the 65 micron triple layer packing. It's a very thick layer. So it protects the product's aroma and the product's overall value also. It's a very thick pack, the triple layer aluminum pack with the multicolor printing. And the cotton box also is richly packed without any lamination. These are all matte finished drip off boxes. So there is no lamination. So when you, after using the box, if they throw it on the ground or anywhere, it will be simply as a mulching, it will be used. It will be, it don't damage the environment. So this product is a moringa enriched energy bar without white sugar and without gluten. So this is the key USP of this product. Very unique product, and we have a client across the globe. I can use the word proudly, across the globe. More than 18 countries we are exporting this product, and mostly to Europe and Canada also we are doing this product. It's a very wonderful product using moringa as a key ingredient. And probably we are the company introduced energy bar in the segment in 2015. After that, few others has come, but we are the pioneer on that one. And again, this is another energy bar using moringa as a key ingredient. And cow milk, this is not the regular cow milk. This is the colostrum. In Tamil, it's called seambal. The first 3 days milk after giving the birth, the cow is yielding a yellow color milk. That's called colostrum milk. It's not a cholesterol, it's a colostrum milk. So that milk is used as the key ingredient along with moringa. It's a wonderful taste. Of course, many North Indian people, they must have tasted this one. In Bihar, I tasted that product. They make a product using cow, that particularly the first 3 days milks of cow, colostrum milk as an ingredient, and they make a product. It's a beautiful taste. The same way, many people, they don't get an opportunity to taste the cow colostrum milk as a food. So what we thought, we have a good farm. We have more than 85 cows in our farm. So one in alternative day, few other things are yielding the thing, and we collect the milk. After giving to the cup, after collecting the milk, we dried it. We using the freeze drying technology, we dry the powder, and we use the freeze dried colostrum milk powder as the key ingredient in our bar with moringa leaf extract. This is also a very good product. So these are all I'm saying, giving an exposure to you. You can also think about the thing, and you can also think about other kind of marketing aspects. For that only I'm sharing. So this is one of the key product using moringa leaf powder. This is under the headline of leaf. I'm talking about these things. So using moringa leaf as the key ingredient, and other ingredient, other products as the sub ingredients, we can make these products. This is one of the again good selling product, and it's a premium selling product. This is packed. This is using moringa leaf extract and cow butter, pure desi cow butter as major ingredient, and foxtail millet, golden foxtail millet as the wheat as the flour, and we made this biscuit. These biscuits are no preservatives, no white sugar, made with 100% brown sugar or organic jaggery with moringa leaf extract and cow butter. And as we have not used preservatives, any preservatives, we are using the vacuum packing as the protector. So when you do a vacuum packing, we have tested the product up to 9 months. There is no changes in the whole product change taste and the aroma also it's locked. Once it is vacuum packed, your aroma is locked. So we are using vacuum packed biscuits, and of course we other products also we use vacuum packing technology. So these biscuits also we do a good sales, and this is one of the opportunity. Of course, again with the moringa leaf as the key ingredient, tea, we are making a dip tea. We are making totally 9 variants in moringa tea. We do 9 variants, plain moringa, moringa with whatever the synchronizing crops, synchronizing flavored ingredients, we blend it with the moringa and we make the product. So plain moringa tea is available, and moringa with the lemon, moringa with the ginger, moringa with the orange, moringa with the cinnamon, like that. So your creativity is your limit. Your creativity is the limit. So if you feel moringa leaf comfortable with the particular ingredient what we are choosing, we can blend it together. The blending ratio, it depends your tasting buds requirement. You can make 80-20, you can make a 90-10 or 75-25, whatever you like. But it should be it should be comfort for the drinker who take the product as a value additions. So it should be comfortable taste. So depends your tasting system. You can design your product. So we make 9 products with the moringa dry leaf in a tea cut form. Of course, again with moringa leaf. These are the other possibilities. We can make a tablet and we can make a veg capsules. So nowadays systems are, people are buyer also very conscious. They don't go for other capsule version. They go for veg capsule systems. Gelatin based capsules also available. It's cheaper, but people preferring going for veg capsules compared to gelatin. Veg capsules are much better. So we can go for a veg capsules either with 300 mg or 500 mg like that. We use a 00 size with the 500 mg powder. You can see the color of the product. The capsule also, it's a transparent capsule filled with moringa leaf powder in a granulation formation. Okay, this will give you good thing. And the below one is our tablet, moringa tablet. We use a technology, single ingredient binding tablet technology. So that is the specialty of Miracle Tree. We don't use starch or all other binding materials like magnesium silicate or calcium ferrite as a binder in our, or a stabilizer in our system. We don't use starch. We use a single ingredient. It's called gargum. Okay, I don't have any hesitation to share my ingredient. Gargum we are using as the key binder. It's only less than 5% is used in our tablet. So when you use anything less than 5% in your whole process, the product, the finished product can be brought under the certification system, like organic certification system. Our tablet is certified under organic scheme. So that is the standard. If you mix anything, or if the key major raw material is 95% and other ingredient are less than 5% variation is there, that can be bring into organic certification. There is a provision is there. So our tablet is an organic tablet with a single ingredient binder. It's a 500 mg tablet. Okay. I think I'm talking about more about leaf because there are more possibilities are there in leaf. That's the reason I'm giving these ideas for you. This is for two things I'm sharing this thing. One, these are the products are available. So if you have any marketing idea, you can think about it. Or if you are a creator or if you are a manufacturer, you can take these inputs and you can do your own R&D further because we are already in a 3-4 stages. So you can go to the next stage. You are welcome. So for that thing only I'm sharing these things. Okay. So this is again another product. This is we named it as Movita, Moringa vitamin. So we named it as Movita. Even the Mogo energy bar also we based on this idea also. Go with Moringa. So we made it as a Mogo. Okay. So Movita is again is my daily routine product. Every day morning I'm taking this my breakfast. So this product is enriched with 34 ingredients. Moringa flower is the key ingredient is there, but other ingredient also is there. It's an energy drink or a growth drink. Even from a baby like 1.5 years old to any age can consume this product. This is a sprouted energy drink. Whatever the possible sprouting pulses is sprouted, and it is dried with the infrared dryer, fried with infrared fryer. Then it is grinded into ultra fine powder, blended with moringa flower, moringa leaf extract, and blended with organic jaggery, or blended with coconut sugar, or blended with palm jaggery. We don't use white sugar. As a policy, any of our product, none of our products are used moringa, white sugar. We never allowed white sugar and other strong preservatives into our system. So this product is available in 4 formats. One is plain. You can use it for your own, any purpose. The plain powder can be used for making laddu, and of course, you can make laddu with this flour powder, mixed powder. You can simply add honey, or you can simply add ghee, and you can make it as a laddu. We are also having a product using Movita laddu. It's available, but generally we sell it as for a powder form for a drinking purpose. So this can be available. This is available in a plain powder form, available with organic jaggery, available with palm jaggery, available with the coconut sugar. Okay, it's a wonderful product. Okay, so till now this is our just few of our products. I have not shown all the products, but few of our major products using moringa leaf powder as a key ingredient. Now let's go to moringa fruit. Okay, so moringa fruit, all of them sigru bolte hai na north mein. So this is the fruit, moringa fruit. During the month of June, July, August, September, October, it's available. In particular, in Madhya Pradesh also, it's hugely available. I saw many times. I have seen the product. So most of of course, in northern part of India, they are mostly not using this product for their routine life. In southern part of India, we are using this moringa fruit, muringai day-to-day life. So there is a huge opportunity using this moringa fruit as a value-added product. Before going with this, before developing this product, we have gone through many internationally available soup products. I'm really surprised to see that most of the products are made with more than 9 preservatives and stabilizers and taste makers. None of them are made with the basic raw ingredients. Nobody has claimed that it's only these are the ingredients, no other preservatives, nothing. Everyone is, even in the label itself, they claim more than some 9 preservatives and stabilizers, taste makers and all. So we thought, why can't we do a product without any preservatives and without any synthetic stabilizers and taste makers? So we have taken that idea into basic thing, and we started working this product with this product. So this product is moringa fruit is boiled and taken out the fleshes and blended with Indian spices. Then it is freeze dried. The whole pulp is freeze dried and granulized, then packed in a vacuum cover. So this is the sachet. It's available in 10-gram sachet. Each sachet can be servable with 150 ml water. Just you have to cut the pouch, add hot water. That's all. Your soup is ready. No need to boil. No need to wait anything. And absolutely no MSG, no monosodium glucose, no MSG, no gluten products, because generally I saw many soup product, it's blended with the starch or corn flour powder to give a thick look, creamy look. Okay, but I feel that a soup supposed to appetize you. should not fill your stomach. After consuming your soup, you should feel more hungry. You should have your dinner or lunch or the other food product with the pleasure. You should not feel that your tummy is full. So what we thought, we want to make a real soup without any filling materials. Again, in our tablet also we don't use fillers. Same way, we don't want to use any fillers. So this product is only made with only moringa fruit pulp and with Indian spices. That's all. With the green pepper, the hot spice is giving through a green pepper. We are giving the hot taste, spicy taste with the green pepper. All of them are freeze dried. So freeze dried powder is like your instant coffee powder. It's available in a granulation form. Just you add your hot water, your soup is ready. As it is freeze dried, the aroma of the whole process product also is locked. The freeze dried, main advantage of freeze dryer, your aroma is locked. You won't lose your aroma. If you use any other drying technology like dehydrator or any other drying technology, your aroma will be lost. Whereas in freeze drying technology, your aroma won't be lost. It is preserved. Your aroma is preserved. So this product we are using this technology, and it is packed in 10-gram pouches. And of course, this product we are selling to many countries in different brand and different languages also. And in moringa fruit, as it is also you can export. You can export the moringa fruit as it is in a, again, what I told you in the leaf exports, you can do exports the moringa fruit as it is in a good packing method. Again, the same logic. You have to bring the whole consignment into 5-degree temperature, pack it in a right carton boxes, sealed, and you can export it. The only one difference is that in moringa fruit, you no need to use dry ice. Generally, if you are exporting to Gulf countries or Europe countries, it is transited within 12 hours of time. So no need to keep dry ice, but bring the temperature of the whole consignment into little good cool temperature. So the transition, if they keep it in the ideal temperature also, if they expose it to little temperature also, your fruit won't be damaged. And of course, these are the advantages of moringa fruit and the moringa soup. And again, this is the third one. When you allow the fruit to mature in the tree itself, you will get a seed. You will get a pod. Inside the pod, there will be seed. Okay, you may be seeing the moringa seed. So the moringa seed can be sold as it is with the wings, or it can be, the wings can be removed and it can be sold as a wingless seed. The left hand side is the wingless seed packed in a vacuum pack. And again, another option is that the shell can be broken and the inside kernel can be taken out. And the kernel again can be, well, I mean, it has to be manually tested, and it can be packed in a vacuum packing like this concept, and they can be sold. It is also sellable in that format. Now, these two format is highly viable. We are doing a good volume, and there is a good opportunity for all of you. Selling moringa seed in a vacuum packing condition with a wingless, and selling moringa seed kernel with a vacuum packing. I'm keeping the word. I'm again repeating the word vacuum packing means if you leave the moringa kernel as it is, it will get fungicide. Fungus will be affected. So it has to be preserved in the right way. Again, this is fourth product from moringa seed. Seed can be converted into oil. Okay, mostly the demand is like that. Buyer is asking for a cold pressed moringa seed. There is a expeller technology and hexane technology also available. You can get more oil output, but international market they demand cold processed moringa seed oil. So in the cold processed moringa seed oil, the output yield is little less, but the value of the product is good. So you can get a compensation like that. So we use a cold pressed moringa seed oil, and that can be packed in the customer choice, either in a 25-liter can or in a, like what we pack, 100 ml bottles also. The main thing is that don't use any adulteration or any other product, any other hexane or anything to get a more oil yield. Please don't do that, because if you do one time, the customer can come to know that if they go for a good lab testing. So get the product as it is available. The color may be little different each time. Depends your seed. The oil color also is changing. Many people I'm seeing that they're stabilizing the color. Don't do it. No need to do it. It's a natural product. It will be available in a different dark yellow color to bright and yellow color. Leave it as it is. Our clients are accepting like that way. They don't. They know it. If you educate your customer will accept you. That is the thing. We have to educate our customers. Instead of educating, if you stabilize the color and everything, then one day we will stand in a different thing. So don't do it. So please do as it is a natural settlement, natural process. Unrefined oil color will be bright yellow color to dark yellow color. Okay. Using moringa seed oil as the key ingredient, we are manufacturing a product called Beauty Drops. This is a good high demand product in our market. We again sell it to many countries in different brand names and different packing. This is the key packing, primary packing of our own packing style, rich packing. And this product, moringa seed oil as the key ingredient and moringa root. I told you now the 9th column, I put the moringa's root also is a valuable product. Moringa root is used in these products. Okay. Moringa root is again moringa root and moringa seed oil. It's a very good anti-aging and it's good for skin related issues. Using seed oil as the ingredient, we make a cold processed virgin soap. It is not a thermal processed soap. You know well, in soap making, thermal process and cold process, two processes are there. We are adopting a cold process technology. It's a pure moringa oil based soap. In this one, no mineral oil, no animal fat or palmolene oil are not used in this one. Is mahu oil and moringa oil is used as a key ingredient, and moringa flower, moringa leaf extract. All of them are blended together, and we got a herbal bath soap. This, I mean, we are given to many skin doctors, and they given a feedback to it's beautiful. It's more than a year we are giving this product. They said it's good. The results are good. I'm using personally this product. Again, moringa hair tonic. This is using moringa seed oil as the primary one, and other herbals like moringa leaf. Moringa leaf is a good hair toner. Moringa leaf extract, moringa seed oil, and few other herbals like kesavardhini and other things are blended together, and it is we made this product. This is a beautiful hair oil product, and I'm using last 2.5 years. So of my black hair is a moringa hair oil. We sell it in the name called More. So everyone want more hairs, so we are giving in the brand name of More. Okay, so these are the possibilities of moringa, using moringa as a key product. Like from the leaf, we can use like of course I left one screen in this one. Moringa flower. Moringa flower is of course it is used in this product. In the hair oil, we use the moringa flower, but exclusively moringa flower. If you can harvest moringa flower, there is a huge opportunity. Even we can Miracle Tree can buy any quantity of moringa flower from ethic farmers. If they collected in a nice way, nice method, and dried in a even 10 tons, 20 tons also we can buy. There is such a opportunity we have developed for moringa flower across the globe. So moringa flower is a very good product for particularly for women, for the menstrual issues and the reproductive system issues. Moringa flower is a beautiful product. In our personal experience, in our family, in our friends, we have seen very good results using moringa flower as a remedy. It's a beautiful one, even for the menstrual pain and all. It's giving a beautiful remedy. White discharge, many things we can discuss separately for moringa flower. Such a huge opportunity is there for moringa flower. So in this session, if any farmer is there, they have a good volume of moringa tree. You can talk to Mr. Vasandan, through Vasandan, you can call us. There are technology to harvest moringa flower in a right way, because moringa flower, if there is a 10,000 flower in a tree, hardly 10% of the volume will become a next stage as a fruit or like that. Okay, rest all fall down. So you have to make a proper collective mechanism to collect the flowers right way. Otherwise, when it's fall on the soil, immediately it get infected. It immediately get infected. So you should not fall. You should not allow it to fall on the ground. You have to make an arrangement to collect the flower in a proper way. We have a concept. We collect the flowers and we have a drying technology with a low temperature drying technology using ULTDC as well as with the freeze dryer. We are drying the flower. It will be in a very good way. When you see the flower, dried flower, you will not believe that it is dried. It will be in such a way. It will be in such a color and all. So if you dry in such a quality, there is a huge opportunities out there. We are making so many enzymes. We are trying to work out some few more products using moringa flower. Okay, so there are opportunities in moringa flowers also. Of course, honey, moringa honey. As I told you, you can keep honey boxes across the farm, and you can collect the moringa honey. Moringa honey is also a huge demand product. And these are few other slides. Just I want to put it into your table that when you, as I told you in the first slide itself, if you're making any product, design the product in such a way that when you are delivering the product in particular land, your language and everything supposed to match with their own language to the native people to easily understand for them. So we make like this. This is for just for our idea. This is in Telugu. The first one is the Gujarati. Second one is in Telugu. Our all products are available in Telangana and Hyderabad. Okay, this is Telugu. And this is in other countries. It's one is printed in French and another one is in English. So French and English we make a product. So it's completely designed in Madurai itself, printed and sold to Canada and Northern America and all. And this is the product we are selling in German, the moringa fruit powder. It's printed in Spanish and German. And this is again printed in German. Okay, and this slide, Vasan sir, can we run the slide, this one, video?
Yes, sir. If possible, you can show the videos.
Okay, participants, this is one of our premium product video. This is for your idea, how can be a moringa product can be presented to the market. Audio வருதுங்களா?
இல்ல sir, no sir.
Audio is not.
Yes, yes.
Can't you play from your table?
Sorry, sir.
Can you play this one in from your system?
No, last time even we tried, no sir. The audio from your system only it came. Last time it came actually.
Should I change my sound system? Sound?
No issues, sir. We can. No. Yes.
Another slide.
A group share.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Continue, sir. I can continue. Yes.
Yes, sir. So these are the video presentations also we made it in the market, and we market through many other opportunities like, of course, we use Facebook, one of the key marketing platform. There is a package available with the Facebooks. You can select the geography, and accordingly you can promote your products particular audience. So we use those kind of techniques and SQLs and many other like digital marketing technology to promote our products. And currently our products are available across 80, I mean, of course we sold many countries, but selectively more than 18 countries we are working now. And Miracle Tree is giving an
You can
opportunity.
stop sharing, sir. If there is no slide, you can stop sharing and speak.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's not okay. So, what I'm saying that we can give an opportunity, and we are working with many companies as a OEM manufacturer also. Suppose if you have an idea, and if you don't want to make your industrial investments and all, because everyone need not to do industrial investments, and everyone need not to do research and all. So if you have any idea and if you have any product concepts, Miracle Tree is allowed to work for that concept, and we develop the product exclusively for that one for the company. And of course, many of the products I have not displayed here because we signed an NDA with those clients, non-disclosure agreement. So those products are exclusive for the client. So those products are developed, manufactured, and supplied to the client for the requirements. They sell the product with their own tagline. So like that also we are working, and we are giving private labeling also, third party labeling also we are working, and we do bulk packing labeling also for any quantities. Bulk packing also we are doing. So these are the possibilities with Miracle Tree. We have a good drying technology, dryers. We have a good forming activities. We have good packing technology, and good integration team is there. Like Energy Bar, a few of the bar only I shown to you, but we are doing more than some 11 kind of energy bar for the market. But other the 9 products which I am not showing to you, those products are exclusively designed for the client's need. It's a twin packing, many things. So like that also we can work for people who have love to or passion to work with Moringa. We are ready to serve for you. So hope you enjoyed my experience. Maybe I missed some few things, but if you have any queries, we can discuss it. This I'm sure my thing. If you have any queries or anything, I'm ready to pleasure I'm pleasure to answer you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your wonderful presentation. We can stop sharing, sir, so that they can see you fully in the video.
Yes, the video was
You just stop sharing, sir. Give stop sharing.
stop sharing. Okay.
In the Zoom, this thing in the bottom it will be there, or in the top it will be there. Stop sharing.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thanks a lot. As usual, you have amazed us with your wonderful presentation. Thank you. Thank you for that. We have received some of the questions while you present itself. And this one question is particularly repeated daily, sir, actually. So we want to put an end to that. I want you to put an end to this question. So what is the permissible limit of intake of moringa leaf powder for adult and kid per day?
This question every day we also receive some, sir. Every day we get such a question. See, actually, moringa is such a thing. In my experience, you can consume from 2 gram. Less than 2 gram is not giving any results. In my experience, my own experience, minimum 2 gram of moringa leaf powder form, because 2 gram powder form means it's almost near to 20 grams of fresh leaves. So as per the nutrition thing, they need at least 2 grams of moringa powder. Up to 8 grams you can consume. Nothing will happen. Only thing your body will take the nutrition depends on its need, and anything is excess to the body, it will be flushed out. Nothing will go wrong. And many, even sometimes I saw some doctors also, they are saying that if you consume more moringa, there will be a stone in your kidney or etc. etc. parts. I
Yes.
don't think so. Even I have my personal experience, and in my family, both the doctors they are consuming now from last 8 years, almost 6 grams. Even sometimes I tried with the 10 grams also. What will happen? But nothing happened. Nothing happened. No stomach pain and nothing happened. But the limit, I feel that it's 2 grams to 8 grams is the right choice. Depends your body requirement. If you are too much hard working, then consume anything above 4 to 6 grams. Or if you are mild working, just go for below 4 grams. It's enough. 3
For
to 4
kids,
tablets.
for kids, any difference in consumption?
2 tablets is enough, sir. I mean, 2 grams is enough for kids.
Two. Okay. No, but if you are getting capsules, it will be common, right, sir?
Pardon, sir, come again.
If you are getting capsules, we are buying capsules.
Uh,
The capsule, the content inside that will be common. So how they can give it to kids?
That's the reason we are giving in other options like energy bar or drink. These
Okay.
forms we are giving for kids only because suppose if we take an energy bar, Mogo energy bar,
Yeah.
1.5 gram moringa leaf powder is there, extract is
Okay.
there. If they take just one bar, it's enough for them. So for that option only we made many products.
So the capsule, apart from capsule formulation, they can go for other forms of taking it.
Other format. Yeah.
Fine, sir. Another one question is, how much percentage will be there in most of these products, like cookies or bars? How much moringa leaf percentage will be there?
You
Or
are asking the proprietary
is
question.
it a proprietary question, sir?
Yes, sir. Definitely it's
If
a
yes,
proprietary.
we can give a pause to that.
Already I leaked out 1%, 1.5 I mean, gram is there in Mogo energy bar.
Okay.
Okay, like
Fine.
that depends the product, the variation is there, but it's a comfortable thing and it is a good volume, good percentage we added. Not a small percentage, good percentage
Good
we added.
percentage. Right, sir. Are you doing any pre-treatment before going for the tea packing?
See, actually, tea packing, it's an automated packing machine. We are using a fully automated packing machine. It's a filter paper,
Okay.
automatically filled. The machine is automatically filling. But when the roll is coming through, it is passing through a UV chamber, and it is locked with the heater system only. So generally, it is treated there. The leaf cut is treated well, as it is. As I told you earlier, it is double washed. Treated leaf cuts only we are using for the tea. It's not a. I mean, just like that, it is not used, and all the pouches are treated. It's all
Okay.
UV exposed.
And sir, in the initial stage, you told that even moringa bark, gum, root, and all these pods are having some use.
Yeah.
So yesterday, on Dr. Digvijay Singh have presented excellent presentation about forage agronomy for feeds and nutrition from National Dairy Development Board, Gujarat. So he raised a question that how it can be used for industrial purpose. Can the farmers can be educated to do that? So what is the actual industrial use of these things? Bark, gum, or roots?
Roots, that's actually, of course, there are many possibilities are there, but with our limited resources, we have identified some active components in the roots. So those components are separated, and those are usually in our beauty drops as the key ingredient to enhance the skin beauty. I mean, anti-aging property, we use the roots. But of course, there may be many other opportunities maybe there. Our university can work on that one. But with our limited facility, we have did some R&D, and we have gone through some separations, and we identified one particular component that is used in our beauty drops, using the root as the key ingredient. So like that gum, of course, everyone knows that all the Siddha doctors or Ayurvedic doctors, they may be knowing it very well. Moringa gum is used as one of the key ingredient in ED, erectile dysfunction for the thing. It is used, and HSDD also is used. Hyposexual like disorder also, moringa gum is used as the key ingredient. So there are opportunities are there.
Fine, fine. So the particle size of tea leaf is that also a trade secret or?
No, sir, that can be shared. Actually, tea curds, it's a two limitations are there. One is you are allowing a very limited time to dip it, isn't it? When you are using as a dip tea, you are allowing hardly a 30 seconds to 40 seconds. But it generally in Europe country, they allow it for more than a minute to distill it. It's a decoction, to distill it. Whereas in our country, they just dip it and they throw it out. Take it out.
Okay.
So taking that problem, what we do, we use a well matured seed leaf and tender leaf blended together. So that only will give a decoction, good color decoction. So it is cutted also in such a way that 1 mm by 1 mm, very small particles, not a powder, and it's not a coarse cut also. It's a perfect 1 mm cutting. We are using a particular one chamber cutting machine. So it is cut in a 1 mm by 1 mm small cutting particles. So that is used for our tea filtering machine. So
Okay.
when that component is used as a dip tea, the decoctions are good.
Fine. Whether, we have been talking about the tablets, sir. So people are asking whether we need to register it under FSSAI or FDA.
It depends your promotions. We are promoting as a food supplement, so we registered under FSSAI. But when you claim as a medicinal property one or medicinal tablet purpose, then you have to go for a Ayush or other medicinal section 24 category. Of course, we do in that also, but particularly we promote in the food section only,
Food
supplement
sec-
only.
Fine, sir. We were talking about ULTC dryer, sir. People want to know what exactly ULTC dryer is.
That name we have given the name.
Okay,
It's like your Xerox machine. It's a
fine.
Xerox machine is the company who developed the machine. Now everyone is using the word
Okay,
Xerox machine. So,
Xerox. Yes.
yeah, Xerox. So same way ULTDC, we adopted the word very initially in 2011. So it is a solar dryer. It's a solar dryer using polycarbonate as the main heat sourcing thing. And after that, what we did, we have developed a PLC designs to control the temperature. What happens in land like Tamil Nadu, Andhra, the summer time, the temperature, the chamber temperatures goes above 60-degree temperature. 60 or 65 also we have seen. So when the temperature is above anything 60-degree, the color of the leaf is degraded. The color, you will lose the color. So after seeing that problem, we adopted PLC technology using instrumentation technology. We adopted many blower fans, blower, and other things to control the temperature and maintain the aerodynamics in such a way that it is maintained in a particular thing what exactly we want. So that we named it a ULTDC dryer, ultra low temperature dynamic dryers.
Okay.
It's using the temperature and air as a medium. It's not only the temperature, but generally dryers they simply believe in temperature. But
Okay.
what we believe, temperature and aerodynamics is very important.
And so we'll take one question from audience itself. Kirtana, I am unmuting you.
Hello. Hello, sir. Can you hear me?
Yeah, very much.
Yeah. I was very much impressed about your products. So I want to mention it since it is a non-preservative. I would really appreciate and was very much impressed like how you are doing with the non-preservative products. It's very hats off to you, sir. And next, my question is, I am a young entrepreneur in Theni district. I am willing to take this value-added product in Moringa. So, what will be the machineries where we can get, and what is the details? And second, my question is, what is the future for the Indian market for this value-added products?
After the corona pandemic,
Sir, your voice is breaking, sir.
Indian community, Mourinho. Okay, is it okay?
Now it's okay.
See, I mean, regarding your question, I'm directly coming to the second part. After the corona pandemic, overall Indian consumption of herbals, particularly moringa and other herbals, is huge. I'm seeing it is, based on my database, I'm seeing it is more than 125% is increased. Maybe the other professors also will accept this point. There is a huge demand of herbals, particularly herbals, in particular moringa, because everyone is talking about moringa. WHO and other health systems, everyone is talking about the health benefits of moringa, and this is the cheapest and very easily available remedy to increase your immunity system. It's really true. That's a really true thing. So the overall Indian consumption is tremendously increasing. So this is the right time for you to focus on the domestic market. And second thing, international market is little slow because of the entire, logistic systems are damaged, collapsed. I can use the word collapsed because of there is no regular flight service. Cargo services also, the cost of freight is almost 3 times is increased. We are seeing earlier when we are paying 180 rupees per kg. Now we are paying anything above 450 rupees. So both the way the buyer and we are incurring little loss in the exports. So compared to that, Indian market is growing very well, and entire India is looking for some good real health products. If you are very much ethic with your product and if you are sure with your product, you will win the market.
Fine.
And
The
regards-
first question is about machineries.
Yeah, machineries, it depends on what the product you are going to make. So that clarity is required. There are huge lot of machines are available. Even in our experience, we purchased few machines. Few of them are not used by us because of our way of thinking is different. So we couldn't use it. So the thing is that now good team you have. Mr. Vasandan is there and doctor is there. Dr. Arunmugam is a very good team now we have. So you will not be misguided. So you choose what exactly you want, what product you are going to make. Based on that, and even we can give our product machine details, or Mr. Vasandan can give the machine details. No issue. We are ready to share that. No issue. But you have to come with the clarity that what exactly you are going to do it.
Fine, sir. Thank you for that. I'm unmuting Priya CK then. Yes.
Hey, Granva, sir.
Priya CK, you can unmute yourself.
You have to unmute.
Yes.
Sir, Vanakkam, sir. Your presentation is very good. Thank you. My question is regarding flower.
Your voice is breaking. Voice is breaking. Voice is breaking, ma'am. I couldn't get it.
Sir, sir, can you hear, sir?
Yes, now it is okay.
Sir, can you hear now, sir?
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, this question is regarding the flower. Sir, the flower has lot of nectar. So you said it has to be very carefully dried and you are willing to collaborate for a flower product. So you have any suggestions regarding preserving flowers? Any cooling required, pre-chilling or any such things?
I couldn't hear it.
Sir, you can't hear. Sir, the question is regarding moringa flower.
Moringa flower?
Yes, sir.
Please ask now, ma'am. Voice is not so clear. The audio is not there, ma'am. Can you please type it in the chat section so that I can ask for you, ma'am? Audio is not at all coming. Kindly type it in the chat section. I will ask for you, ma'am. Thank you. Yes. One second, ma'am. You are unmute. 1 second, I am unmuting you again. Okay, let us hear from Gibson. I am unmuting you, yes.
Sir, I have one question. I'm in this session for the past 3 days. I was waiting for this session. Especially, it is very much useful. I'm in the deep south. Hello? Is it audible?
Yes, 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 please.
I'm in deep south. Especially, my place is very much familiar for Moringa. My entire district, especially that Ovary, Satangulam, all this place you can find huge farm of Moringa. But so far, we don't have any cooperative movement. So we are waiting for the cooperative movement. So is there any value addition in making a tea bag? Adding tea bag along with some product. What can be the minimum price in the international and local markets, sir? What are the procurement of machineries? What can be the overall estimate to initiate this kind of a project? Thank you, sir.
Specific to tea bags, he is asking, sir. Rough estimate of.
I think it's from Satangulam. I have visited many times. Is it audible?
A bit louder, please, sir.
Yeah, actually, I visited to Satangulam and other areas many times. Of course, it is impressive. Very good farms are there. Very good Moringa farms are there. I know there are some few organizations that are doing value additions there. So either he can make two choice. Either he can supply to the companies to the companies to the leaf. They can do the process, Otherwise, he can go for his own investment for the tea processing machine. Anything not less than 20 lakhs investment is required to make a dip tea format products.
Okay.
So it's based on his investment. If he is willing to invest, he can get the details from either you or from us regarding the tea cutting machines and tea packing machines, because nowadays no manual tea packings are not allowed. Only you have to do complete automated tea packing facility. Even the buyer also, they are very much insisting humanless tea packing systems. So we adopt 100% automated tea packing. So to make at least a bare minimum standard machines, he has to go for minimum some 15 to 20 lakhs investments. So if he is willing, he can go for that. No, otherwise, there are some few NGOs are also, I know very well, they are doing good. I can guide him. I can give the link to them. He can supply his leaf to them. It's very nearest to him. Valliyurla da irukanga. They are in the Valliyur.
Right.
So from Sathangulam, it's hardly 20
Market
kilometers.
potential, sir. Market potential for this kind of product. Tea
Market potential, it's that's what it is. Not only the plain moringa tea. Depends your creativity, how you are blending your moringa with other flavored herbals like mint, ginger, lemon, orange, or other thing. So you can make a few new products with your own creativity, and that can be promoted to the market. People are accepting if it is good. Absolutely great market is there.
Fine, sir. Thank you for that. Mr. Soundarajan Loganathan, I'm unmuting.
Yes, good evening, sir. This is the second time, Mr. Saran, sir. I've been hearing your particular presentation, sir. I was actually looking forward for it for the past 3 days. Anyway, sir, my question is almost similar to that of what Brito was asking, sir. I'm directly planning to export, starting with the leaf products, sir. So, what is your idea, sir? How much should be the investment and the machinery and things? What should be the minimum investment if you are applying for leaf powder exports, sir?
You want to go for dry leaf powder exports, alright?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So see, actually in his question is first that the fresh leaf also he was talking about. That's the reason I'm asking. If it is fresh leaf, it's little perishable, so he has to go with the logistic team and other thing. Then he can proceed accordingly. No investment is required. Fresh leaves also huge demand is there. Only thing the transportation and logistic system has to be perfectly aligned. Then it is a good business. Compared to dry leaf, it's also a good business. Dry leaf, you have to even the cleaning system before. Post harvest, you have to clean the leaf 2 times washing and spinning the leaves and dryer, other thing, and pulverizer. Not less than 20 to 25 lakhs investments required, include dryer.
The total you are saying from post harvest to powdering.
Just up to the powdering, not after the powdering.
Not after powder. Okay.
Just up to the powder, it requires minimum 25 lakhs for an entry-level system. Market is very much open. Market is very good. Market is. But before going for investment, go for your market study. Do with some other products market study. Get some good client for you. Then go for your investment.
Okay. Fine, sir. Thank you. Priya Sikhi, I'm again unmuting you, trying to unmuting you. Can you, if possible, you can ask now. No, again it is not coming. I'm unmuting the person who is. Hello.
Sir, am I audible?
Yes, now clearly audible. Yes.
Sir. Thank you, sir. Very good presentation. My question was regarding flower processing, actually. Sir was telling that flower is having a good market and they are willing to take flowers if we can process properly. So the flowers contain a lot of nectar, actually, that tends to even ferment because of reducing sugars. So any suggestions or precautions to be followed, sir? I wanted to know.
I'm not getting the question rightly. Actually, what he's asking the nectar has to be.
Yes, so the honeybees are always coming whenever we are collecting the flower. They are swarming after us, and it has too much of honey. I have a particular elite material from Bundelkhand. Okay, so it has A profuse flowering, you can't see the tree. The tree will be fully white when it's in flowering. No leaf is seen. To that extent, it will flower. And it gives only one season flowering. But otherwise, the remaining time for foliage also quality is excellent. And I propagated it in a different region, Telangana and also Rayalaseema and Andhra. And there also it's performing good. And even the birds are eating the leaves. Sir. Very surprisingly, I noticed entire tree has been eaten up. By green, small birds are attacking, not insects. But in the other regions, we didn't have bird problem. So regarding this flower preservation, you have any special suggestions?
Sir,
Actually, she's giving a very good thing is that there are a lot of honeybees are in the tree. So it's a huge market. Why is he want to prevent it? He can simply keep a honeybee boxes and she can simply collect the honey. What's the problem? We can see instead of you want to make money from the tree what you have invested. So the money can come through different sources, even from the leaf, from the flower, or from the honey. And now your whole job is taken care by your honeybees. Why you want to disturb? Why you want to pay to the manual laborers and make investment expenses? Simply let them work. Let them collect the nectar and all. You just collect the nectar in a box and you take it out. That's all. What's the problem?
so it is better to go for Moringa honey now.
Honey, there's a huge market.
Yes, sir.
We will buy. If you are making a real Moringa honey, we will buy. We will do the market.
It's a premium segment. Yes, I have shared SAR's website ID, email ID, and contact numbers here. If anyone wants to contact, kindly contact. Last question, Sutej. Quick question, please.
Yeah. Good evening, sir.
Before that, don't worry. We will be having the second lecture after this one. So we will not skip anything. Please don't worry. Yes.
Okay. Good evening, sir. Sir, first of all, I need to tell you that I got to know about this webinar just because of you, and I'm connected to you on. I'm connected with you on WhatsApp from last 1.5 years. So I follow your work. I follow your research, and I'm a researcher from Institute of Chemical Technology, and I'm researching on value-based products. So would you like to give any training or an opportunity to do research with you for this value-based products? So please, sir.
You are most welcome.
Fine, sir.
You are most welcome. We are, of course, we are ready to share our experience and ready to use your knowledge also to develop new products. And you are most welcome.
Fine, sir. A lot of people are asking where to buy Miracle Trees products. In Bangalore, in Goa, from a lot of states they are asking. I have given.
We have. We can give the list.
Right. We have given
your thing.
Is there any online sales, sir?
Yes, sir. We have an online platform, but the online platform, the e-commerce things just is getting it updated. Yella.com. YELLAA. Yella everything is available in Moringa. So we made a
LLAA was
it? Yella.com. But that site is temporarily, and we are doing some updating. So from coming Monday, from Onam, it will be again reactivated.
Fine, sir. For another quick question, how much is the conversion of seed into oil, sir?
It depends your processing methods. It depends your machine. Of course, in the initial time, we have seen only 12%. Now we are seeing up to 32% to 33, 34, we are touching. Say like 30% we are touching now. But from the initial stages, we could able to convert only 12% oil from the seed. But so now we improved ourselves to how to extract the good oil content using cold pressing technology without any adulterations, like adding hexane or anything else. Simple natural process. We identified some methods. So technically, you can go for up to 35 to 40%, but practically, I'm seeing 30% yield from my seeds. 30%. And depends on your seed also. Depends the seed also, the oil content is varying. Many seeds are less than 14 to 15% oil content. Some seeds are more than 40% oil content. Depends. So choose the right seed for oil conversion, because Seed can be used as a side snacks. I missed that slide. Seed can be fried, that shell can be removed, or with the shell also, like your fried fried almond. You can fry the moringa seed also with the pepper and salt, and it can be packed and sold. It's also good taste.
Okay. So, how about the insect attack in the seeds, sir? How we are preserving that? What is the shelf life of kernels?
See, actually, that's what. If you open the shell, you have to preserve it in a right way. Otherwise, it will get fungicides.
Okay.
There will be yellow fungals on the above kernels. So, till if you are not opening the kernel shell, then there is no issue. You have to keep it in a dry temperature. That's all. Dried, packed, well packed condition. No, not nothing. No special packing is required. But when you open the shell and you remove the kernel, you have to pack it in a very good hygienic condition. You have to double protect the thing, or if possible, try to go for a vacuum packing to preserve it. Once you vacuum pack, no worry about it. You can keep even 2 years also, nothing will happen.
Okay. Fine, sir. Due to the time restriction, we have
Our speaker is that I want
almost 4:40. There is another. Yes, sir. So I have posted the link now. If you have any other specific questions to Mr. Saravana Kumaran, you can ask in that link. We can send these questions to him and try to answer you through your mail. So thanks a lot for your wonderful presentation, sir. As usual, you have given a lot of information, lot of perspectives to this. You have shown us a lot of opportunities in this field. So thank you for joining us again. So thank you for your support, continuous support with our incubation forum and horticultural college. So finally, before you wind up, you can say a few words to the participants and we can close the sessions. Sir, audio.
Thank you so much to everyone. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much to everyone. So welcome to Miracle Tree. Welcome to Moringa. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.